Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best hunting bow you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best hunting bow on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which hunting bow are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Sanlida Archery Compound Bow. The Sanlida Archery is the most successful bow design in the last decade. In terms of performance, the Sanlida is nearly identical. It was the shortest and most accurate bow of the test, measuring 18 to 31 inches axle to axle. Bell averaged 34-inch groups, which was the best of the test overall, and our panel average was 1.04 inches. The Sanlida was also the quietest bow, but its lack of vibration pushed it down the list a few spots. That, along with being slower than the winner, was its only flaw. The Sanlida stands out for its outstanding accessory design. The Sanlida also features a bridge lock sight system that allows the sight to be mounted directly into the riser rather than on the side, and it is dovetailed for an integrate style arrow rest. The Low Pro quiver system is the smallest I've tried, but if you're like me and prefer to remove your quiver once it's in the stand, get the removable 5-arrow version rather than the fixed 6-arrow version that came with my test bow. For details, let's watch more. Our second best hunting bow is Killer Instinct Lethal Crossbow. This bow was very easy to put together. You should have followed the instructions to put it together so you could be sure I wasn't voiding the warranty. This crossbow also includes a high-quality draw rope. The scope that comes with it is very simple to sight in and comes with instructions on how to do so. Very nice product for the price, had a small crack in the hand guard but it wasn't large enough to return, super glued it and it should be fine. Absolutely love this crossbow. The Killer Instinct Lethal 405 Hunting Crossbow Pro package includes everything you need to bring home a trophy and a story you'll tell for years to come. This backyard target shooting crossbow has a rugged aluminum barrel and an adjustable stock that allows it to sit light and comfortably in any hand. The adjustable buttstock is ideal for both smaller and larger frame hunters. Number 3 in our list is Bear Archery Compound Bow. The Bear Archery Cruiser G2 is the ideal bow for any adventure that comes your way. This bow's maximum versatility is designed for people of all ages and skill levels. The bow's draw length is adjustable from 12 to 30 inches, and the peak draw weight is adjustable from 5 to 70 pounds. All adjustments can be made with an Allen wrench, eliminating the need for a bow press. A 4-pin sight, a whisker biscuit, a 5-arrow quiver, a stabilizer and sling, a peep sight, and a knock loop are among the trophy ridge accessories included with the bow. The Cruiser G2 is only 3 pounds and shoots arrows at 315 feet per second. The Cruiser G2 has a 70% let-off and an extremely smooth draw cycle. The advanced grip design reduces hand torque for increased precision. Endura fiber limbs deliver lethal controlled power, while the Rock Stops offset string suppressor dampens noise and vibration. Fourth recommendation in our side is Barnett Whitetail Hunter 2 Crossbow. The Barnett Whitetail Hunter 2 is a popular hunting crossbow among both novice and experienced hunters. One of the primary reasons is the low draw weight of this low-cost gear. Trigger tech, an innovation that allows for significant increases in power and precision, makes this possible. Aside from that, the overall weight of the crossbow is light, making it easy to transport while hunting. To achieve the proper balance of force and draw weight, Barnett uses aluminum solid in the main construction. The Whitetail Hunter 2 is ideal for anyone looking for mid-range equipment or looking to improve their game, thanks to its extensive features. Heavy-duty, dual-stage lockable latches and an integrated pressure release valve help the gun cases withstand the constant bumping and jarring of airline travel. Trigger Tech technology with a zero creep release weight of 3 pounds. All stainless steel parts. Dry fires are eliminated by the knock sensor and ATV. For details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best hunting bow list is Barnett Whitetail Hunter STR crossbow. If you are looking for the best deer hunting crossbow for the money, then grab it without a second thought. Affordability and efficiency are the two things that Barnett considers most when making crossbows. The newest addition to our popular Whitetail Hunter series, the Whitetail Hunter STR creates a compact, manageable profile that hunters of all sizes and skills can manage. Step-through riser technology reduces the length of the crossbow by integrating the foot stirrup directly into the riser. Combined with an overall weight of just 6.6 pounds, this crossbow hunts light and fast -375 feet per second fast. The Whitetail Hunter STR comes ready to hunt with all the accessories you need and just one bolt required for assembly. Safety features include a Trigger Tech trigger, anti-dry fire technology, finger safety reminders and a patented arrow retainer. High-performance Whitetail Hunter STR compound crossbow in mossy oak bottomland with complete hunting accessory package. Specification is 375 feet per second, weight of 6.6 pounds, axle-to-axle width of 18.125 inches, dimensions, 34.875 by 20.125 inches. Fiberglass composite step-through riser with single bolt assembly and anti-dry fire Trigger Tech trigger. Compatible with Barnett's 17,455 crank cocking device. 118.6 kinetic energy.